fourth is yung audience engagement potential. Ayan. Diyan na papasok yung nag-e-engage ba yung ating audience. Kung nakikinig sila, kung nagtatanong sila, nagko-comment sila, then kung nagla-like sila, and nag-share sila. So, yung engagement ng audience means, ibig sabihin, interesting yung content mo or yung product mo, or yun nga, ibig sabihin, na-catch ng audience natin yung attention. So, once na nag-comment na sila, nagtanong sila, nag-inquire, ayan. Then, yun nga, kapag ka-shinare, halimbawa, nag-promote tayo, tapos shinare nila, yun nga, pag nag-comment, pinanood nila, yung panonood is yung retention. Doon papasok yung retention. Kaya, kaya di ba sabi nila, maikli ang attention span ngayon ng audience. So, madali silang mainip. So, ilang seconds pa lang, kaya doon pumapasok yung sinasabi nila na kailangan may hook. 3 to 5 seconds na hook. Kasi within 3 seconds, hindi nila na-catch yung attention, sinaswipe na, umaalis na, di ba? Ganun yung style natin. So, yung algorithm ni app or ni TikTok is nakita niya na tinatapos ng audience natin yung ating content or yung ating ipinost. Ibig sabihin, yung retention na tinatawag is yung time, kung gaano kahaba pinanood